Now, the detail that you put in that I'm noticing, and Deb would see this more because we are the design aficionados, aren't we? The little detail, like the new downlights, I can see that it's nice and crisp. You mentioned that fan. I love it to look at. I love it to feel. It's perfectly suitable for the climate up here because you do deal with a lot of heat and humidity.
Yeah.
It's also super quiet.
Yeah, it's great. Hear that? Yeah, I don't.
The important thing that I think people underestimate is the power of a fan. I think it's practical for us to use to circulate air, cool the space down, but it's also adds to that ambience. It feels like a holiday space. There's so many options. I loved visiting the Fanco showroom. I think you've picked a really nice, sleek design that's perfectly in keeping with your style of home. It's very clean and understated.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Yeah, and I've been reading about these, and I'm a dad, right?
Yes.
So we're sticklers for saving money and being efficient around the house, you know, turn your lights off. But these fans in particular, you can run these every day, all week, 365 days a year. And guess how much it costs on low power mode?
How much does
per
it
year?
cost?
$10 a year. So in 2 years,
good, hey?
you could afford to buy a beer at Byron Bay.